Hello students, welcome again in the another session of the series Maths for All. Today's topic is addition of numbers. You might think that what is the big deal about addition of numbers? We have to take just two numbers and we have to just add it. But wait, let us have an example. Let us have these two numbers 5 and 4 and we have to add these two numbers, which is very straightforward as 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. But here note that both the numbers that we are adding are positive. Consider two more examples. The first of which is minus 5 plus 4. In this example, the first number is negative and the second is positive. And consider the another example minus 4 plus 5, in which the first number is negative and the second is positive. Now the question is, how can we add these numbers as both the numbers have different signs? So that is our today's topic, because most of us get confused while adding such type of numbers. Let's try to find the answer of this one. Before that, let us analyze these numbers according to the signs which are given to those numbers. The first type that we are given, in which both the numbers may be positive. So here in the first one, 5 and 4 both are positive numbers. In the second one, both numbers may be negative. So as we have taken here example, minus 7 and minus 8 both are negative. And in the third and the fourth examples, the signs of the numbers that are given are negative and positive. So in the third and the fourth examples that we are given, the signs of the numbers may be negative positive or positive negative respectively. Now I'll try to find the sum of each of the type given. The first type is if both numbers are positive. Let us consider one example and we'll try to find the sum. Suppose 2 plus 4, this addition we have to find. In this example given, both the numbers are positive. That's why the obvious sum of 2 and 4 is equal to 6, as both the numbers 2 and 4 are positive. That's why the sum is plus 6. So we can generalize this as, if two positive numbers are given, we have to just add those two numbers and we have to give a positive sign to the answer. That's why 6 has got a sign positive. Consider the second type. What if both numbers are negative? Let us consider example for that one. Minus 5 and minus 8. As you can see, both the numbers have negative signs. That's why these both are negative numbers and we have to add these two numbers. To find the answer of this one, we have to just add the numbers, and instead of giving positive sign, we have to give a negative sign as both the numbers are negative. So we have to add 5 and 8. So 5 plus 8, it will be 13. And as both 5 and 8 are negative numbers, 13 has also got a negative sign. So this is the way by which we can add two negative numbers. Now consider the next type. What if two numbers are either positive negative or negative positive? Let us consider one example. Plus 9 minus 5. For this example, the first number 9 is positive and the second number is negative. To find the answer of this one, we can generalize rule as subtract the smaller number from the greater and give the sign of greater number to the answer. So out of 9 and 5, 5 is the smaller number. So if we subtract 5 from 9, we'll get the answer 4. And we have to give the sign of greater number to 4. So out of 9 and 5, 9 is the greater number and 9 has a positive sign. That's why we have given the positive sign to the answer, that is 4. Let us have another example. Minus 6 plus 2. In this example, the first number is negative and the second number is positive. Here again we have to use the same rule as the previous one. We have to subtract the smaller number from the greater one. So smaller number between 6 and 2 is 2. So we have to subtract 2 from 6. So we have got answer 4. And then we have to give the sign of greater number to the 4, and the greater number is 6 and 6 has a sign negative. That's why 4 has got a sign -4. So here we have got -6 plus 2 is equal to -4. This is how we can add any two numbers. If you like the content, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.